This is Mark D. Roberts, Mr. Real Estate, Tesla Realty. This is 22 Newport Street in Dorchester near SAVIN Hill. We're in the basement of the unit. There is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath apartment available September 1st. I believe it's $3,950. Don't quote me on that, but this is the basement. I was showing this to somebody. I'm already in the basement. You got 2 washer and dryers. And I think it's 7 times 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Looks like 7 times 25 cents, whatever that is for the laundry. There's a storage area down here too. I noticed there's some storage areas. So let's go upstairs. You are responsible to pay your utilities. So heat, hot water and electricity, you pay yourself. Landlord is not paying anything for you. The rent that you pay is covering the rent, but you have to pay your heat, hot water, gas, electric, etc., cable. This is the backyard, so you can see the backyard patio right here. 22 Newport Street near SAVIN Hill in Dorchester, 02125. This is for the first floor. You don't have access to this. So I'm gonna go up to the 3rd floor, show you the 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, call it a day. Locked. So let's go up to the 3rd floor. Mr. Real Estate, Mark D. Roberts, Tesla Realty, going up to the 3rd floor. Okay, so this is the kitchen. Cabinets, stove, oven, dishwasher, refrigerator, nice kitchen. Central air conditioning, so it's very cool. Very cool. There's the 2nd bathroom. You have a tub, and you have a shower, and you have a bathroom. So you can hear the central air. It's really cool in here. Wow, it's really nice in here. Very nice. Okay, so let's go to the bedroom here. Here's the living room, 3 big windows, nice big room, lounge, hang out, watch TV, nice floors, nice walls, nice ceiling fans. Bedroom number 4 is off the living room in the back. A lot of privacy back here. There's a queen size bed in here, or maybe a full size bed. You can fit a queen or a full size. More than likely you put a queen or a full. I wouldn't try to put a king size bed in here. Central air up there. So this is really nice. Bedroom number 4. We're gonna look at bedroom number, let's go to the bathroom, 2nd bathroom. Shower, tub, bathroom, bathroom number 2. So you know. Now we're gonna go to the 2nd bedroom up there. Central air, closet. 4 bedrooms here, really nice. You can put a queen in here if you want to. That's where the central air is coming. I can feel it all over myself. Okay, shut the light off. 3rd bedroom, boom, 3rd bedroom. This is pretty big, bigger than the other 2. Alrighty, really big. And double closet. You can see that there's a double closet, right? There's 1 door here. It's right near UMass, Boston. And this is the 2nd closet right here. So 2, oops. Let me put that here. Double closet. All right. And we got 1 more bedroom. And then you're gone. I'm gonna do your bedroom, okay? Okay. This is the door outside. I'm gonna go out to the hallway so you can see, and then you can come out if you want to. So this is the hallway, and then this is the street right here. And when we get outside, I'll show you how close it is to the train station. And this is the first bedroom off of the front door. And again, just really nice big double doors, really nice. Contemporary, if not vintage at the top. I didn't put your computer. Don't worry, the computer's not on my video.
Okay, perfect.
Privacy is important.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. All right, take care.
You too, bye.
Alrighty, so let's go out the front door. This is 4 minutes 59 seconds, 5 minutes. So in order to get this apartment, obviously you must have the proper income. Credit has to be at least 670. And what else? No evictions. We cannot see that you were taken to housing court and evicted. So this is Summit Street. You see just a bunch of nice apartments here, all 3 families mainly. And if you down that street, you take a right on Crescent, you'll be at SAVIN Hill train station. It's about a 3 to 5 minute walk. That's at 22 Newport Street in Boston, Dorchester, 02125. Mr. Real Estate, Mark D. Roberts. Call me at 617-544-7325. 617-544-7325. Tesla Realty. You can also email me at mark@mrrealestateboston.com. mark@mrrealestateboston.com. I'm on social media at Mr. Real BOS. At Mr. Real BOS.